I want to kick this video off by throwing a shout out to all of my viewers out there, and not just in the USA, but all over the world. I have to tell you, I've been absolutely amazed looking at the YouTube analytics that over half of the views on the majority of my videos aren't even from within the United States, where I'm located. So that's absolutely amazing. Shout out to you all. It shows how truly global the cryptocurrency wave is, and I have a passion for it. It shows you have a passion for it, and therefore I am excited to bring you a new video today. So what's up, everybody? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be all about Binance BNB coin. I don't know if you've seen it recently, but it is absolutely exploding in growth. This is one of the coins that I haven't touched yet with the video. I figured there were no better time than today to talk about it. So that's what we are going to be doing. We'll get into the nuts and bolts along with a price prediction from now until the end of the year with where it may shake out. Now remember, I am not Miss Cleo. I'm not a psychic medium. I'm simply a guy who looks at data for charts and moving ahead. So I'm going to give you a range. I'm not going to say dead on, here it is, but I'm going to give you a range where I think it may fall, okay? So as always, if you're a first-time viewer, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell to turn on notifications, and if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, and now let's get it going. So the Binance platform and BNB token were launched in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, or CZ as he goes by on Twitter. Highly recommend you follow him if you have a Twitter account. He is active on there daily, always posting updates on Binance, as well as things that are happening in cryptocurrency that he's commenting on. So highly informative, all right? Now, Binance was originally headquartered in China. They later re-headquartered to Malta. Today, however, CZ says they don't technically have a headquarters. They have offices in over 50 countries all around the world, including Singapore, Great Britain, Germany, France. There's one in United States. He is all over the world. So bottom line, they're sort of global at this point, all right? Now, Binance serves users in over 180 countries. Binance also has the Binance.us platform for users in the US. They had to make a separate platform to comply with United States laws. The downside of this is that the regular Binance that everyone else in the world who may be watching this gets to use has significantly more coins on it. So users in the USA sort of get shafted on the coins, but whatever. It is what it is. Now, they also own, for those who don't know, CoinMarketCap.com, which is the #1 website for all things crypto. So they own that as well, all right? Now let's talk BNB coin. So the Binance BNB coin was launched just 11 days before the platform went live in 2017 with an original 200 million coins. Now, it also originally ran on the Ethereum blockchain. So what changed? Well, in April of 2019, Binance launched the Binance mainnet and converted the Ethereum-based tokens over to the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. So what's it used for? Well, the token, obviously the native token, it's used as a payment method to pay for fees on the Binance exchange, and for participation in token sales on the Binance Launchpad, all right? Now let's talk coin burns. So this is a unique feature of the BNB coin, that they conduct quarterly coin burns with an ultimate goal of reducing the permanent supply from 200 million coins to 100 million coins. So not only is it capped, but they are actively reducing the supply. That alone will increase the value over time. So that's an important thing to know here. So what is driving the run as of late, right? Well, per CZ, it's the daily transactions with projects moving from Ethereum to the Binance Smart Chain. So if we insert the chart here, this is taken right from CZ's Twitter account. Visible in the chart, you can see the daily transactions increase from around 200,000 per day at the start of this year to nearly 3.25 million just 2/3 of the way through February. So, I've talked about this concept numerous times on the channel, that when one of these companies makes a technological leap, i.e. they can do it faster, cheaper, and overall more efficient, it creates a fantastic investment opportunity, and that's exactly what has happened here, all right? Now, this past week, BNB coin absolutely exploded. It moved all the way up into the number 3 spot, only behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, with a market cap of nearly $43 billion, and it has 24-hour volume exceeding $10 billion. Now, if you look at the chart, you can see that from the beginning of the year, it went from roughly $47 to $277 roughly dollars today, or a nearly 6x in the first 2 months of the year. Now, if it had the same rate of growth from now through the end of the year, that would be a 30x with a price of roughly $8,310 per coin. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen. That's a lot. If it did that, I would be absolutely flabbergasted. That goes into flabbergasted status for me. Now, if you look at the market cap, BNB is roughly 43 billion, while Ethereum is 229 billion. To equal Ethereum, it needs to go up substantially, right? Now, if it passed Ethereum this year, that would be an amazing feat for Binance. And to put in a little bit of context, 2, 3, 4 years ago, no one ever thought Ethereum would be where it is today. So the fact that they're sort of fixed into the second place position, I don't know how fixed they're actually going to be for too much longer with the Binance Smart Chain, as well as, other competitors being Cardano, #1, and Polkadot, #2, just to say a few. I'm not so certain that Ethereum will be #2 forever, as they have been in recently, okay? Now, I don't know if the rate of growth is sustainable through the end of the year. If it is, that would be a 30x, as I stated, with one coin trading over 8,000, and that seems like a lot. So, here's my prediction. I am predicting anywhere between a 10 to 15x, okay? So if you took that possible 30 and you broke it into fourths, I'm kind of in that second fourth is sort of where I think it could shake out. It may go higher. So if it is within that second fourth, it's anywhere from roughly $2,700 to over $4,000 per coin by the end of the year. If somehow they maintain the same increasing rate of transactions, obviously it could go higher than that. So up to 30, all right? But I'm thinking somewhere around the ballpark of 10 to 15. Now, CZ himself shared the BNB grew at 480x the rate of Bitcoin over the last 3 years. So that's pretty amazing, right? So they're definitely growing. He also shared this tweet where he said, quote, "Most people, myself included, has to go through this at least once. Learned about Bitcoin in July 2013, price 200-ish. By December 2013, it was 1,000. I missed it." He goes on to say, "Was buying on the way down in 2014, worked out all right on my end, not financial advice." So, my final point here is that when you bet on a proven company and concept that works, in the long run, you really have nothing to worry about, which is the same point CZ was making. So I don't think you have anything to worry about if you were to invest in Binance BNB coin. It is an excellent investment. It has a bright future. It has a charismatic leader who is actively involved, extremely smart person. I'm going to be doing actually a video on some of these, what I'm going to refer to as crypto catalysts. Some of these leaders in the crypto space, that these are the people you want to get behind. If you think about the stock market, you think of, Jeff Bezos, you think Elon Musk, you think Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. Well, we have those same kind of players here in crypto, and that's who I want to do a video on because honestly, you don't bet against people like this. It will continue to go up in value. So I don't think you have anything wrong with investing in BNB, even today, even while it's high, because in the long run, it is going to go way beyond this. That's what CZ was saying. That's what I believe as well. Their worldwide appeal is absolutely massive. In terms of the entire world, this is definitely probably the largest exchange. I'm not sure where exactly the Huobi Global shakes out, but their Binance probably has it. They're probably the #1. And they've only been with this platform since 2017. So 4 years, like, holy cow. And CZ is young, he's got a lot going on. So the bottom line here is it's a fantastic investment. Price prediction, 10 to 15. If it goes beyond that, so be it. It very well could. It's a fantastic company. It has a great leader. They've got a lot going on. And I think it's a great investment, period. So that's it for today's video on the Binance BNB coin. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to check me out on Twitter, where I also post on a regular basis. And outside of that, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.